What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we make the second stop on our cruise to Gallipoli, Italy. And unfortunately, the weather forecast calls for rain all day. With that being said, we're still gonna make the best of it. Now let's get after it.
Via dei Tigli, Baia Verde 56.
We're here in Gallipoli. What broke?
Sheen.
Wow.
Everything just fell out.
Wow. No bueno.
Good thing you have your backpack.
Yeah. That is cool. Farmacia. I want to go that way next, but let me get over here real quick. I want to get a shot of the water. Ooh, pizza. We might have to come back over here, man. The butcher shop. This place is oozing with character. Like literally oozing. Little pickup truck. It's like a beach area. Interesting. Huh? Umbrella's messing up my vibe.
It's not cut at all. Interesting.
Yeah.